So, I was the one who killed the duoling. So I was the one who killed the Duolingo bird. So, yeah. Because he said, threatened to make me vanish unless I learn Spanish. So I'm like, you know what, little fuck? How about you vanish? I said to him, why not you vanish? Oh, the bird was so pissed off. And if you want to see what he looks like, what's his... I don't know. I'm not telling you guys. I killed the Duolingo bird. So, yeah, that's all to say. And this is a joke video, by the way. Please do not take this seriously. It was a joke video.